Hey, it's Gavin from GFP Machines. Walk with me. I've got a machine I want to show you guys. So recently we've had these two finger joint millers in the factory. It's gone through a complete rebuild, top to bottom. It's been redone. We've got the first primary milling machine, which is a right to left, and then we go left to right as well. These machines are fantastically rebuilt. It's a proper brand name. CKM is a really well-known brand in Southern Africa. Really reliable, spare parts available for it. We've redone everything. We've done seals, we've done pneumatics, we've done bearings, we've done the works on these machines. This machine, a new line like this, will cost a lot of money these days. We've got the finger joint press in the workshop. I want to show that machine has been rebuilt. It's going to be coming out of the workshop this week, and then it'll be ready for sale. So if you're in the finger joint market, if you're wanting to do longer lengths, I think that press is a 7.2 meter long press with two millers, with all the roller tables in between. These are the machines that you're looking for. So guys, this is the press that's in the workshop at the moment. It will be coming out in the next week. We're waiting for a few more parts to arrive, and then it'll be completed. We like to do things properly. Leroy's got a bunch of photos of the complete rebuild in this, and I'm sure you'll show them the video as well. But have a look around the side here. It's a beautiful machine, rebuilt totally, new pneumatics, new seals, new bearings. We've rebuilt a whole number of parts. It's got a conveyor belt on the infeed, which helps speed up production as well. If we walk around the back side here, Leroy, these are the things we're waiting for. We're waiting for some new sprockets that have had to be made up because they're quite a specific sprockets, but we're taking the time and we want to do it properly. We could put an aftermarket patch job on here, but we don't want to do that. It's a beautiful press. We want to complete it with the right sprockets. If you look at the back here, what's nice about this machine is that you can press different lengths. So either one continuous length or two shorter or three shorter lengths of material, because it's got an automatic kickouts here for the sizing of the material. It's an automatic press, automatic loading and destacking as well. It's a fantastic unit. A machine like this today would cost a huge amount of money. I'm confident we've rebuilt this machine properly and it will last you many, many, many years. So if you're looking for a finger joint press that's not as long as the 7.2 meter press, we've got a 3.6 meter press, we've got a 4.8 meter press, different price ranges. These are great machines. We've got some other finger joint millers as well. Leroy, come have a walk with me quickly. So this is a smaller Hollytech finger joint miller. It's a smaller miller than the CKM, but a fantastic brand, a well-known product in South Africa with spares and backup as well. This is a smaller miller and can fit in perfectly into your operation. So we've got another single CKM miller as well. That's in very good condition, a left to right miller. This we're selling individually, where the other machines we're selling as a set with two finger joint millers and the long press. This is an individual miller. These are fantastic machines, reliable, well known in the market, and people who have got them, they don't sell them because they love them.